Hi guys, today I want to share a little discovery I made recently, something that can actually save your money. It's the Mr. Color Paint Replenishing Agent. Yeah, not the catchiest name in the world, but let's see what it can do. So, the bottle itself, small orange label, doesn't tell me much, just the basics. It's meant for Mr. Color series paints, especially the ones that have thickened or basically turned into paint fossils. There is also the usual "this is toxic" warning, so mask on, avoid skin contact, you know the drill. Safety first. Alright, time for the experiment. Today's victims, patients, are two Mr. Hobby C-Series paints. One is almost completely dried out. And the other one still has a bit of life left. Since the colors are pretty similar, I will label them so I don't accidentally resurrect the wrong one. According to the instructions I found online, for partially dried paint you add about 50% of the agent, so that's what I'm doing with Mr. Agony. Give it a good shake, and now we wait about 30 minutes for the magic to happen. Now for Mr. Dead. Here the recommendation is to add a bit more of the agent, so yeah, makes sense. I will mix both with the toothpick, and honestly it already looks more promising, but let's give it some time to fully work. Meanwhile, let's do something slightly questionable. I'm going to test this on Tamiya paint, and this is gonna be hard because this one is completely dry, not thick, not old, but I mean solid, like archaeological sample. I will pour some of the agent on it and leave it aside. We'll come back to this later and see if we have broken the laws of chemistry. Back to our two patients, time for a spray test. According to the official description,
this solvent is designed to restore Mr. Color paints that have thickened or dried out due to the evaporation of solvents. It dissolves the hardened resin, returning the paint to its original state. Once restored, the paint should be thinned with a thinner before use.
So let's add some leveling thinner. Starting with Mr. Agony, honestly it already looks like new, but the real question is, will it spray like new? Into the airbrush it goes. Okay, a bit too thick, so thinning was definitely the right call. I'm going roughly 50-50 paint to thinner. And yeah, that sprays nicely. Coverage is good. That's a solid recovery, I would say. Let's put it aside to dry and move on to Mr. Dead. Same process, thinner, mix, spray. This one needed a bit more thinning, and you can see the coverage isn't as strong as Mr. Agony, but considering where we started, that's still pretty impressive. Now I'll just blow some air through the airbrush to speed up drying. You can see how the color changes as it dries. Let's add another layer and leave it for a moment. And now the wild card, the Tamiya paint. There are still some solid chunks in there, so I'll mix it a bit more and try spraying using Tamiya thinner. Now, officially,
for Mr. Color only, this solvent cannot be used with water-based hobby colors, Mr. Metal Color, or other brands' paints.
But, well, here we are, and you know what? It actually works. The paint is a bit thin, sure, but compared to what we started with, the fact that I can even spray it is already a success. This way, guys, if you have old paints that you can no longer use in your airbrush, I think this is the way to go. It saves money, and yeah, I hope you like it. Let me know in the comment if you already knew it, if you use it. If not, thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you want more content. Take care, guys, model on, and see you next time.
Caution: adding too much solvent can potentially dissolve plastic. Use sparingly to avoid damage.